for the day. Welcome to yet another session of Vedic Maths. In the previous session, I have taught you on doubling. Now, how is doubling used in division? Let's have a look at this. The topic for today is division by 5, 50 and 500. Division by 5 seems difficult, going to the division process and everything. But I tell you, if you teach a second silent child also how to double the number, they will be able to perform this division. Let's start up how to do up the division. It's 84 divided by 5. So my first step would be double the number. My number is 84. So 4 double is 8. 8 double is 16. Simply, after that, I put a decimal after one place. 5 is a single number, so a decimal. And this is your answer. Isn't it easy? Let's perform with a 3-digit number. The double of this is 378. 9 double is 18. 1 is carried over. 6 double is 12. So it's 13. 1 carry over. 1 double is 2. So 3. So 338 is the answer. No, it's not the answer. We forgot. Don't forget to add the decimal. So that's the decimal. The answer is 33.8. Let's do again the same thing for 84 divided by 5. So now you know the answer. It's 168. Now there has been 10 extension. So what we'll do, we'll put decimals after 2 places. So, and this becomes your answer. Do you know the double of 169 is 338? Again, put a decimal before 2 places. And that's your answer. Now what about 500? Can you able to solve this? I'll solve it for you all. 84 double is 168. Now I need to add a decimal after 3 places. So what do I do? 1, 2, 3. I'll add a dot and I'll place a 0. So this is my answer. Double of 169 is 338. So again, I put a decimal after 3 points. I add a 0. And this becomes your answer. Isn't it very simple? Kindly develop your critical thinking with this. It will help you in your Olympiad exams. Thank you.